Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caters. In this video, I'm going to answer the question that a viewer had. Why is my gas stove igniter not clicking, and how to fix a gas stove igniter that's not clicking. And the first thing that we want to do is go ahead and show you where the igniter is, and that's this piece right here. So the first reason that your igniter might not be working is that the power to the stove is out for some reason. It's not plugged in, it came unplugged, or the power to the house is out. And the simplest way to do that is just to look and see if the clock on your stove is on. And if that's on, then you know you have power. The second reason why that your igniter might not be clicking is because the burner cap here is not on level and it's not covering the igniter. The igniter needs this burner cap to make a spark between the igniter and the metal of the burner cap. And I'll show you what I mean here. See, it's not making enough igniter to light the flame, but gas is coming out when I was doing that. So just keep that in mind. Don't do that, let it kind of clear out a little bit. So what you want to do is just go ahead and put your burner cap back on, level, cover it. And there we go. Now you see it's burning. So you got to have your burner cap on, level, and covering the igniter. And then the third thing that it could possibly be is that the igniter itself is just bad. So if you hadn't had a chance to subscribe to our channel or give this video a like, we really would appreciate that. Now, if your igniter is failed, if it's bad, it's not a real complicated fix. Most of them are just plug in, you just take it, unplug it, put a new one in, secure it, and you'll be going again. It's not like you have to redo all the wiring and anything like that, change any of that, it's just a plug. So this is the answer to why your gas stove igniter might not be clicking. Once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caters. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.